In this tutorial, we will talk about 3D modeling in GstarCAD. Here is a 3D model, and we are going to create a sim model as it. First of all, let's jump to the View tab. Click the View Control drop-down list in the ribbon, and select the top view. Then right-click in the drawing, select Isolation and Object Isolation option, so we can check the dimension data of this 3D model. Now I'm going to create a new drawing and start modeling. Let's enable Ortho mode and change the view to SE isometric. Then jump to 3D tab and click the box command in the ribbon. Specify the first corner on the drawing. Take your cursor away, select length option, set the value as 25, and set the width as 5, height as 25. Enter. Click the box command again, snap to this corner, and draw another box. Still length as 25, width as 5, height as 25. Enter. Press Enter to execute the box command again. Snap to this corner, and draw the last cuboid with same values. Next, I'm going to click the Union command in the ribbon Solid Editing panel, and select the cuboids we created just now. Press Enter. As you see, the 3 solids become 1 solid. Next, click this drop-down list in the Solid Editing panel. Execute the Fillet Edge command, and select these 2 edges. Then select Radius option, and set the value as 12.5. Press Enter 3rd times. Execute the command again. This time select edges at another side. Enter. Explore more in GstarCAD 3D Tutorial Part 2.